Sana po nararamdaman ninyo ang energy. Ang energy ng event
na magkakaroon ng sequel to Hello, Love, Goodbye. So when they told me about it just this year, after I did A Very Good Girl and all, my next assignment talaga supposedly is Elena. But then may mga kailangan pang paghandaan for Elena, and then yan, may mga nangyari, and then naging totoo. Ito na, nandito tayo lahat for Hello, Love again. So it feels very familiar, but at the same time, it's different this time because it's been 5 years, and 5 years is such a long time.
Dami na nangyari.
Yeah, I've changed. I think we all did. Lahat tayo nagbago, and I'm just curious kung ano yung mabibigay namin this time around. Because when we shot HLG, I was just 23, and then now I just turned 28. So yung 5 years na yun, ano yung nangyari sa growth namin personally, and of course, kung ano naman yung magiging growth when it comes to Ethan and Joy. So, ang daming tinatansya pa namin, but then, it's an exciting feeling.
Before I go to the
management do the talking, hindi po kami, kumbaga, there's a perfect time for everything, and this is the perfect time to tell everyone na tuloy na po! Tuloy ng HLG2, now HLA.
Sumobra ba ako sa punchline? Okay, Catherine, go ahead.
It's finally happening.
It is.
Grabe, ngayon lang nagsisink in sa amin actually. Kasi sinabi ko kanina pa, kagabi pa ako kinakabahan. I don't know why. Maybe it's more of excitement and halo-halong emotion. But then seeing everybody here, ramdam na ramdam namin yung support at excitement nyo. And parang yun yung nag-fuel sa amin na makapagsulat ulit sa Ate Carmi. And kami, mag-start na kami mag-shoot soon. You know, it's not gonna be easy, but then here we are. This is so exciting. You know, we thought we already said our goodbyes. But here we are, saying our hellos.
Magaling sila magsulat.
As kapamilya, kapuso, and as you all said kanina, this is a first, a lot of firsts, and excited lang siguro ako. So thank you so much for giving us another opportunity to tell another story and to share continue sharing Ethan and Joy's story, but this time in Canada. Sana po supportahan nyo lahat. We'll see you in cinemas. We'll be back this November, of course. This will be under GMA Pictures and Star Cinema. Let's do it. Directed by Maria Cathy Garcia Molina, Sampana.
Of course, marami rin sa mga yung mga supporters namin. I'm sure si Kat din. And yung mga fans ng film, the actual film, really wants to know what happens next.
Right.
So,
familiar,
right,
but it's different. A lot of changes. Kasi 5 years, from 2019, nung natapos yung Hello, Love, Goodbye, sakto ang daming nangyari sa mundo after. Eksakto, di ba? Parang, nung lumipad si Joy papuntang Canada, di ba? Nagkaroon ng pandemic.
Right.
Nag-shutdown ng buong mundo.
Right.
So, ang daming nabago.
So, incorporated yun?
Hindi pwedeng hindi eh. Kasi diba ang Hello, Love, Goodbye naman talaga. Yung dalawang characters, kasama yung mundo.
Okay.
Kung saan sila nandoon. Diba? Dun sa kwento nila mismo.